Y'all, I learned how to make a better fart sound. Just do that, and then if you want it to sound like diarrhea, if you want a massive fart, and if you want just a air fart, and if you want a air fart and a fart, and if you sound like you have a wet fart, and to sound like your pants just ripped because you farted. Anyways, one time I was recording on my Lipster GS. Yes, it was from a balikbayan box. Balikbayan box means gifts sent from parents abroad or relatives. So yeah, my tito who was my uncle who was in America right now just sent us a Lipster GS. Like, I was recording on it one time and I accidentally sat on the flag, and my tomboy sister was there. Wait, yeah, two of them, and then my aunt too. And then I didn't know the flag was there, and then they farted. Everyone started laughing, and the flag ripped. And if you want, if you want everyone to laugh, but go. If you want just a tiny fart, go. If you want a massive explosion, and go to sound like your pants became a skirt because you farted, and wait, it doesn't work anymore. Let me try again. I Yes, it's working, but it's a little off.
Lalo kayo mag-upload?